Tonight, galing sa pagtugtog ng classical music ang iahain sa atin ng batang ito. Ang tanong ko lang sa kanya, piano mo kami pabibilibig? Okay, let's all welcome our 8-year-old pianist from Cebu, Maddie Lim. Maddie, my friend! What's up, little guy? How are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Let's go sit down and let's relax here sa napakaliit na couch. First of all, how are you feeling, Matty?
I feel good.
How old were you when you started to play piano?
Well, technically, I think about 2.5 years old.
2.5 years old.
I think I had my first recital when I was 3 years old.
Recital at 3 years old? Apparently, I heard that you also like teaching piano.
I think I taught like about 6 years old.
Taught
when
at
I
6
was-
years old?
Yeah.
Ah,
I think.
grabe. You have a video. Can we see? Can we watch you teach?
You call C sharp or D flat. They're actually the same. And so just like this. That's it. Yeah. And this is also what you call D sharp.
Ang galing pala pa kanyo naman. Matty. Well, why don't we just talk to your mom? Mommy Mitch, hello. You have a musical genius here. Sobra. And gaano ka-special si Matty?
Actually, second pregnancy ko si Mati. Kasi yung first pregnancy ko, I was diagnosed with cancer. So, it took us a while before I got pregnant with him. We were not allowed to get pregnant for 2 years. We prayed and prayed talaga to the Lord to yung para
Give you a blessing.
Oo.
Well, your
para
prayers
ma-bless
were
kami ng
answered,
anak.
Mami, ha?
Oo.
Talagang sinagot ka ng Panginoon na napakabuting bata.
Yes.
And, I mean, you deserve Matty, and Matty deserves parents like you. Sobrang supportive sa kaanong hilig niya. I'm so proud and I'm so happy. It's so inspiring yung story niyo. No matter kung anong pinagdaanan niyo through the pregnancy or not, God was there watching over you and binigyan kayo ng anghel. Ika nga si Matty. So, great job, Matty. Watch the episodes and clips of Little Big Shots only here on ABS-CBN. Subscribe now to be updated weekly.